Okay, 32-year-old man, Southeast Asia, chronic cough, night sweats. And so the chronic cough, night sweats, and fever and upper lobe cavitary makes me think of tuberculosis. And the biopsy has granulomas with central caseating necrosis with large pale staining of the abundant cytoplasm. So the pale staining should tell us as well. These are large epithelial macrophage-associated caseating granulomas commonly found with tuberculosis. So the disease, chronic cough, weight loss, granulomas, TB. And what cells make granulomas? Macrophages. They eat Mycobacterium tuberculosis, but they can't fully kill it. And so they fuse together to form giant cells and just go, let's hold hands. They hold hands around it. CD14 is the most specific marker for monocyte and macrophages. And so that's going to be our correct answer. Yay, we love this. Yay, it was bolded, so you already knew that. Okay, but what about the other ones? CD4 found on T helper cells. All right. Those are T found on T helper cells. Not specific to macrophages. Okay, what about CD7? Anybody know? T cell marker, not macrophages. Okay, this guy, everybody knows him, found on cytotoxic T cells. And then CD20, that's our guy. Rituximab, it's a B cell marker. B cell marker. Okay, so this is the only one associated with our macrophages. And macrophages are the ones that eat but can't fully form, and so they hold hands around the infection. And that is how tuberculosis works. You get the chronic cough and the formation of those granulomas. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, go ahead and like and subscribe. It would be awesome if we could get this channel to 100 subscribers.